two I really love, and it's E-Myth by Michael Gerber and 4 Hour Work Week um, by Tim Ferriss. 4 Hour Work Week. I that book changed my life.
What are your favorite financial books? Maybe top three.
Ooh, yeah. Well, I've got two I really love, and it's E-Myth by Michael Gerber and 4 Hour Work Week um, by Tim Ferriss. I love those books because E-Myth is all about, building your company to make it sellable, essentially, kind of teaching the franchise model and the whole McDonald's thing. And 4 Hour Work Week, I that book changed my life, and I kind of combined it with Grant Cardone's 10X to make the 400-hour work week. So I took Tim's idea and then go, okay, well, if I'm not lazy though, I want to work and make a lot of money. So if I can take that same concept, and work 40 hours, I can make a big company with it. And so that's what I've done. And I've been outsourcing in the Philippines since 2010, and I've been running remote teams and building companies through all that. And so yeah, those are some great ones.